Question 9. This is taken from SSSCE 1996 Objective Question 1. The shaded portion of the diagram is represented by A intersection B union C, B intersection A union C, C intersection A union C, D A intersection B intersection C. Now, before we solve this particular problem, let us look at the intersection of A and B. Of course, because the shaded region also covers the intersection of what? A and B, as shown on the screen. So you can see that we have A intersection B involved. Again, the region here also represents the intersection of A and C. So we also have what? A intersection C represented, as you can see on the screen. Now, do you realize that they are being combined? Which set operation combines two sets? It's simple. Union. So you can simply say that the shaded region represents A intersection B union A intersection C, as shown on the screen. Now, the options given to us are quite different from what we're able to deduce. So what we are going to do is to apply the distributive property on each option. First of all, option A intersection B union C can also be written as A intersection B union A intersection C. B intersection A union C can also be written as B intersection A union B intersection C when you apply the distributive property. C intersection A union C can also be expressed as C intersection A union C intersection C. And then option D, A intersection B intersection C can also be written as A intersection B intersection B intersection C. Now, which of the options correspond to what we deduced earlier? That is very simple. That's going to be option A, as shown on the screen. So option A is what actually represents the shaded portion of the diagram.